Hey Vogue, it's Nick Jonas, and I'm going to walk you through my everyday-ish skincare and wellness routine. First step is gonna be this right here. This beautiful green juice, celery, hint of lemon. It's great for the digestive system, gut health, and detoxing. All right, next up, just to really set the vibes, we're gonna go with a nice candle. This one's a diptyque. This is beige. I have this in my dressing room and in my hotel rooms. It's a little bougie. I know, I'm sorry. But it smells so good. Can't help it. I've always loved scents, both candles, incense, and perfume, and cologne. And I actually got the chance to collab with a friend of mine, John Barbados, on a cologne. And I had the best experience learning all about that. So much so, in fact, that Priyanka and I, when we moved into our new home, we did this really great kind of date night thing where we had someone come in and help us select a scent for our home. And then after a while, we just went back to the diptyque. It's just that good. There it is. It's nice to find ways when you're traveling, as much as we do, to make wherever you are feel a bit more like home. And so little things. I've got some photos that I take with me in my bag that I set up in my room that are a little piece of home, and also just a nice scent that reminds you of that. Okay, next up, this is the most exciting part of my day. Well, not always, but sometimes. This is the FaceTub. Joe introduced me to this, my brother Joe. We were on tour and one day he showed up and said, check this out. He brought this out. And basically, you fill it with ice and water. You dunk your face in for as long as you can. And if you're wondering, what does this do? Well, it helps with inflammation in your face, any puffiness. It also, apparently, this is what I've heard, it awakens the vagus nerve, which alerts your brain that it's time to get your day going and makes you feel fresh as a daisy. So the key is obviously the ice. Let's dump this in. Okay, and then water is next. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna dunk our face. Oh, okay. Yeah, feels great. It also comes with a little scuba situation there so that you can breathe while you dunk your face. I'm gonna go one more time. Feels good. Can we tell a difference? I think we can. All right, next step, we're going to do a little cleanup, a little shave here on the neck. I like this to look nice and fresh. And so we're gonna use a little Schick razor here and clean this thing up. There it is. Boom, the hydro. There we go. So I'm basically just cleaning up my neck. I'm going with a downstroke here. Tends to be the nicest on my skin. I think it's an important part for every man to have their own sort of journey with skincare and whatever's right for them, and shaving obviously is a piece of that puzzle. It's all about your personal preferences. Some people, go with the grain. I kind of go down. It's what works best for me here. Beautiful. Look at that. I was just recently up in Vancouver shooting a movie called White Elephant, which I've been developing for a couple of years. When I was there, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna walk into the skincare place and just see what they have. And I was pitched a bunch of great products, one of them being this right here. This is the Sicily for Men Purifying Cleansing Gel. Boom. There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. On set, basically once you finish shooting and you've got makeup or blood on your face from the scene, whatever it is, fake blood, of course. You go to the makeup trailer, right? And they put the cleanser on and they give you a nice hot towel, and it's kind of the most satisfying part of the day. Oh, so nice. I didn't really care all that much about skincare in my teens. Shocker, 14-year-old boy that wasn't excited about skincare. But then, as I got older, started to care about it a little bit more and more. I think it's great to have rituals, little things that help you, approach your day and your life with, that positive feeling, and skincare, I think, and just general wellness is something everyone should prioritize, just for whatever it is, 5 to 10 minutes a day. I think in the same way that you brush your teeth every day, put on your socks and do the thing, you gotta do this too. Okay, next up, we have Bro Mask eye gels. These things are amazing. They're very hydrating. It's good for anti-aging and brightness. So I try to put these things on most days. My routine changes depending on what I'm doing. If I'm on tour, it's later nights, but then on set, it's long days, and then you're up bright and early. The puffiness can definitely be there, so those really help. Lumify, these bad boys are great. Eye drops, bring out the white in your eyes to make you feel and look fresh as a daisy. It's the theme of the whole thing. And also, when you haven't gotten much sleep, can get that redness. I get allergies and irritation during spring and stuff, so this really helps. Nice. All right, eye gels are off. It's gonna work in the serum that's on there. Great. The worst advice my brothers gave me about skincare, taking care of myself is, they've actually given great advice. Joe does a great job of taking care of his skin, always has. And then Kevin, he's got a really good routine now with his vitamins and his supplements. You know, we all have kids, we're all fathers. So I think as we've gotten older, that importance about skincare and all that is one thing, but it's really about longevity and making sure that you're doing what's best for your body, for your health, to spend as much time in this life with the people you love. Next up, we have Barbara Sturm. This is a clarifying serum. I love it. Just work it in there. I always work it up. Very nice. Okay, this is the next thing. This is Barbara Sturm Glow Cream. It's, I think, got anti-aging qualities, which at, 33, I need to start thinking about. Oh, it feels great. It does give a nice glow to the skin. All right, so this is Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I love their stuff because with this one, as advertised, it's unseen. You can't really see it, but it gives you that sun protection you need. My mom always emphasized the importance of wearing sunscreen. So as kids, we'd go to the beach out in Jersey. Shout out Jersey Shore. Not the show, well, the show too, but the actual shore. As I got older, I'd liked to make sure I was not getting sunburn while I was out playing golf. And so I would definitely stress about the sunscreen. We went away for Priyanka's 40th birthday, and I got a bunch of Supergoop stuff for all the guests that came, and we were all very well protected from the hot summer sun. I'm not aware of the thirst traps as they're happening. I'm just living in the moment, but she's very sweet. And I post plenty of, things of her, praising her and her beauty and brilliance, and she's the best. I miss her very much. I just got hip to this. This is Augustinus Bader lip balm. It's really nice. This is Louis Vuitton Lemon Sight. It's my favorite fragrance. I've been using it for a while. If I mispronounce that, I'm sorry. But I over apply. It's a little fun fact about me. This is Statement men's grooming product. This is really good. It is a fiber pomade, and it's nice and shiny. Look at that. And it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. So I put this in when my hair's wet after a shower, let it set in, and then it's usually pretty much good to go. Tighten the sides there. Boom. We're good. All right, final step. We're gonna blow this candle out, and I got a busy day ahead, so I gotta get to it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See ya.